Well folks, I know it's been a long time now since I posted some videos, and that's a result of a combination of grad school, work, homeschooling my kids, housework, weather, the list goes on. But as I sit here with one of my pups, Lola, I decided I'd put together this quick video to let you know what my newest initiative is with the channel. And that's going to go on a lot to dispelling the myths and the misconceptions around the northern snakehead, which is a fish that I've grown to love and which has unfortunately really just been given a terrible deal by sensationalist media. Now, I'm not going to ask you to take my word for this, or ask you to take my word on this. I'm going to be talking with some experts in the fisheries biology community, and hopefully we'll be able to actually have some interviews in the area as well. But that's coming down the road. For now, this was a trip I took back in September of this year on a very rainy day, a trip that I almost didn't take, and then I'm very happy I did because it turned out pretty damn well. But anyway, thanks for watching. Questions, thoughts, comments, let me know. And have a good one.
Yes. All right, nice snake. Nice snake. There she is. Snakeheads in the rain, man. All right. Gotta hook out. There she goes. Pretty good one. Pretty good one. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. All right. Where the f is Jared at, man? He better be throwing a buzz bait. I'm gonna come your way with this one and get a picture, man. That's about that's probably about 28. Buzz bait, bro. I was getting worried for a minute there. I thought those fish were turned off today, man. All right, it's gonna be it's a dicey operation trying to get a picture when there's when they're conscious, man. Especially a big girl.
Yeah, get them grippers in there.
There she went, dude. Nice. Yeah, for real.
That's a nice fish now.
Yeah, that was a good one, dude.
Yeah.
So yeah, this rain came down hard for most of the morning. But what I'm showing you right here, these weed edges, absolutely killer. Finding those pockets are very, very hot for the fish. And here again on the weed edge.
Fish on.
And the bass were chomping too. Well, once we found the right lure to use, those fish started chomping pretty good.
Come on, let me get a picture of one fish today. Just one fish, just one fish. Can you be that one fish I get a picture of, please? Yes, darn it. Got it. Got it. No, no. If my phone will even let me. I kind of doubt it. Oh, what? What? The rain is slowing down. That could mean some really good things. Thus far, I have caught 2 snakehead and 2 largemouth, all of which came on the buzzbait. But I'm confident that this rain will slow down as it is right now. The mice and the frogs will start producing.
Jesus, fish on! Fish on! Nice snake. Jared, on the mouse, up in the stuff.
Now, I think the reason for the buzzbait success up to this point was its unique noise that could be heard over the rain.
Three snakehead, one bass. I'm trying to get these lip grippers inside this fish's mouth. Oh, it's gonna be a real pain. No doubt about it. He's about to freak out. Here he goes. Oh, I saw an open mouth for a minute there. There we go. Okay, got on the lip grippers. Now I'll try to get the hook out. That's probably the hardest thing, honestly, about snakehead catch and release fishing. It's getting them off the damn hook. Because when they are alive and conscious, man, they just do not want to open their mouths. Understandably so, but man, right now all I want to do is get her off the hook. So I can hold it open with these and get my pliers, and I might be able to get her off. Where's the hook? There it is. Okay, I have eyes on the hook. Ow! Well, good thing I put a float on there. She just broke my line. See that float? Gotta follow the float. And got her. Oh, for fudge sake. But yes, boys and girls, that is why you put a float on your lip grippers. Had I not done that, I would have lost my lip grippers and my mouse. There we go. Put the phone in the case, turn it, lock the screen. Put that right there. All right, little gorgeous. You're lucky I'm not keeping snakehead today, because you'd be worth it. All right, now. Go ahead. Another bass. Another bass on. Boy, bass love the spinnerbait. So that's 3 bass. Ow. 3 bass, 3 snakes. Gotcha! Snakehead. Frog. Well, mouse.
Now, for the longest time, I hadn't used mice. But man, the past couple months, started falling in love with them.
She's pissed. And oh, I thought I had her. Thought I had her. Pain in the butt fish. Pain in the butt fish. Let me get your jaw. Man, I came over here, saw a little clearing, and just knew there had to be a hungry snake over here. Just looked too good. There we go. And my phone has been forgiving today.
I mean, normally, when my finger's even the slightest bit wet, that swipe function on the phone usually doesn't work too well. But today, it thankfully worked pretty damn well out there.
Alright, now. There you go. Got her. Got her, got her, got her. Alright. That's number 6. And oh, almost had her. Excuse me.
Apologies for some of the audio here. You know, it's just part of the fishing in the rain, I guess. Sometimes it blocks it out.
Beautiful snake. About 25 inches or so. What a beast. God, I love these fish. Love you fish, man. All right, gorgeous. As soon as you let go of my mouse, you'll be free. Oop.
Now what I should have done there is reeled down till I felt the fish. Instead, because I got excited and angry, I pulled that lure back
again.
Way too soon. I should have kept it in the strike zone until I was sure he had it.
Got him. There you are. Nice one. Yeah. Dude, they're popping. They're popping all around here, man. Bunch of them. There we go. Got her. That is number 7 or 8. I'm not sure which. All right. Look at that thick one. Yes. Oh, not today. Not today. Oh man. That right there. That's right here. Don't worry, he'll be out of here soon. There you are. All right, you big, powerful beauty. There you go. Let go. Let go. There you go. Yes.
Now the biggest one I caught today, I of course managed to miss on video. But just an absolutely beautiful big female. And on top water. Gotta love it. But on that note, while it's true you can keep whatever you want out here, there are no limits, there's no regulations, it's really up to us to harvest responsibly and be informed on the real impact of these snakehead, which is negligible or beneficial, as evidenced by the literature thus far. So, more on that later. Thanks for watching. Questions or comments, let me know, and have a good one.